The problem with many passive income streams is that so many of these options require a significant amount of either experience, setup software or equipment that you must have on hand, or having a huge following online in order to be profitable. I want to show you 6 ideas for digital products that anyone can create regardless of experience level or following size that you can create in less than an hour that you can start selling online immediately to create streams of future passive income. Number 1 is social media templates. Business owners, influencers, and anyone else online who is trying to promote something are searching for ways that they can quickly and easily share whatever it is they need to share on social media platforms. The fastest way for these business owners to share those things on social media is to purchase a template to create a beautiful branded look to share within their posts. Small business owners are willing to pay for these to be pre-designed for them so they can quickly and easily download something that represents their brand's color scheme and aesthetic, and very quickly and easily plug in things such as their own photos, their own quotes, and information. Now, in order to create these quickly and easily, you're going to create a free account on a website called CANVA. CANVA is the easiest graphic design website that is also completely free to access many of its major design elements and templates. Canva allows you to sell your designs and your design templates as long as you are customizing their elements and templates that are already there. As long as you are changing it and making it your own unique design, then Canva does allow you to sell these as templates or as designs in any marketplace. In order to sell these, you're going to upload them onto a platform such as Etsy, where small business owners are searching in large numbers for social media templates. The next digital product that anyone can create in under an hour are children's educational materials. There's a huge market for parents, educators, and homeschoolers who are searching for children's educational materials that they can quickly and immediately download online, print at home, and utilize immediately with their children or their students. These educational materials can be incredibly simple and easy to make. Parents and educators are very frequently searching for things as simple as alphabet cards, counting cards, simple matching games, as well as more informative documents such as guidebooks, workbooks, and other educational materials. In order to create these, you don't need to have any art skills necessary. All you need is a free Canva account, and you can access their stock photos and design elements there. Once again, as long as you are incorporating those elements into your own unique design, then Canva allows you to sell these. The next digital product idea is printable art. And no, you do not actually have to be an artist in order to sell printable art. The idea here is that anyone who wants to add a piece of artwork to their home but might have a smaller budget in mind may be able to go online to a marketplace such as Etsy, locate a beautiful print for their wall, and download that digital file. They then would order their own print through their own printer. Therefore, the file that you're selling is going to be a high-quality PDF or JPEG or PNG file, basically something that can be printed, framed, and hung on a wall. Once again, you guessed it, we are going to utilize Canva for creating these art prints. And as long as you are modifying the design of whatever it is that you are using from the Canva Elements section, then you are allowed to sell it. The next digital product idea are planners and organizational templates. For templates that they can modify to get themselves better organized, to plan their days, their weeks, their years. Organizational templates can include anything from a day planner to a meal planner to a children's chore chart and a variety of other templates. The next digital product idea are various types of business templates available for download and customization. Small business owners have a lot of tasks to complete and very little time. So small business owners are a great target market in order to create designs that help simplify their processes. This can include things such as a template for creating a business plan, a template for creating an invoice for a client, and a variety of other products geared with the small business owner in mind. Once again, these are going to be created on Canva and sold in a marketplace such as Etsy. The last digital product idea are Kindle Direct Publishing, otherwise known as KDP, low content books. A low content book is something such as a workbook, a coloring book, a word search book, a journal that is going to include pages that you must create, but it is not pages of writing. Rather, they are worksheet pages that are left more so as a blank journal. Now, these are incredibly easy to create. You may create the cover using a free account in Canva, and then you can create the interior pages using something such as BookBolt or Tangent templates. Once you have created your journal, then you're going to create a KDP account for free and upload your book there. Once your book sells, KDP will automatically print it on demand and ship it out to the customer. With all of these digital product ideas, the key in making a significant amount of money is going to be creating a large volume of different designs and publishing those designs frequently in conjunction with some sort of marketing plan. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful in giving you some ideas of digital products that anyone can create in less than an hour. Let me know in the comments down below which one you are most likely to give a try.